Hi, I'm Michelle Tweston O'Toole, and I will be your instructor for Math 40, Section 1, Winter of 2021. And this is just a quick video to make sure that you know how to log on to class tomorrow. We do have a synchronous class, which means we are all online at the same time, twice a week, Mondays and Wednesdays from 12:20 to 2:15. So let me show you my screen so you can see where to get started. All right, so this is the MyMCC page. So you'll go ahead to your MyMCC and log in with your username and password. Since I was just in my account, my computer already has me signed in, so that didn't show up. But then if I look at this, I'm going to pull this over to the right, and you can see these tiles here, these blue tiles over here, and one of them is Blackboard. So we're going to go to Blackboard, and then you will scroll down and find our class, which is going to be 2021 Winter Beginning Algebra Math 40, Section 1. And that will bring you to the Start Here page. So the Start Here section has lots of good information that will stay there for the entire semester. As far as, what's going on with, this part of the class, the orientation video, which is what you're watching, the syllabus. So it looks like this, and it's very important. I would recommend printing it out, and you'll want to refer back to it at various times throughout the semester. Then there is an instructional video for registering for Alex, which is the computer software that we're going to be using for homework and practice. Here are the class code and financial aid code for Alex. So if you're familiar with Alex, you can go ahead and get yourself signed up with using this information. Otherwise, we will talk about this during class tomorrow. Then there's an orientation video for Alex. Again, you can skip this if Alex is something that you have used already in another class. Week 1 discussion. Do note that this is going to be due on Friday, and again, I will talk about that in class a little bit tomorrow. And here, then we have Unit 1 blank notes. I do a collaborative note-taking, so we have some things where you're going to be filling them in and examples in there, and I do recommend printing those out as well. If you don't have access to a printer, please let me know as soon as you can, and I can mail that to you. And I'm scrolling back up, and let me do one thing here. So I want to make sure it looks exactly like what you're going to see tomorrow. So when we popped into the Start Here when we first went here, and then right below that is the live Zoom/Collaborate link. So click that, and that is how you come to class. So you'll see that brings us to Blackboard Collaborate Ultra, and then you'll see that there is a session here, saying recurring, starting at 1:11, 12:20 to 2:15, and then you click on the date of the class, which will be tomorrow, the 11th. And over here on the right, this menu will pop up and it will say to join class. So that is how you access our class for tomorrow. And let's see here. If for some reason you're having any issues, please contact me as soon as you can. I gave you my cell phone numbers, and you have my email, so you can get a hold of me and talk to me about that. And just, you can look through what's happening over here as far as announcements, instructor information, another link to the syllabus, content and learning modules. You're going to be looking at that one quite a bit because that's where the main things that we're learning are going to be. And then some different resources, again, which I will point out tomorrow when they're not quite so overwhelming with all of the things that we have going on. So click on, log into MyMCC, get to the Blackboard tile, or click on the Blackboard class name, get there that, and then Start Here will give you the initial things, and then the live Zoom/collaborate link. That's the one you want to click to come to class tomorrow. So hopefully this will help you out, and I will go over more things tomorrow. I can't wait to meet everybody and see some familiar faces. I know I have some people who I had in 38 last semester, so I will have some new and some old faces, so that's great. And I hope everybody is safe and well, and I will see you tomorrow at 12:20. Please try to be on time. We do use pretty much every minute of class, so it's important to be there. Thank you.